Transmission warning lights are your vehicle's way of communicating potential problems with the automatic gearbox. Understanding what these lights mean can save you thousands in unnecessary repairs. There are three main types of transmission warning lights. A red light indicates an immediate problem requiring urgent attention. A yellow or amber light suggests caution and the need for scheduled service. A flashing light signifies a critical system failure. Transmission problems fall into three main categories. Fluid-related issues account for about 40% of cases, mechanical failures make up 35%, and electrical issues represent the remaining 25%. Fluid-related issues are the most common cause of transmission warning lights. These include low transmission fluid levels, contaminated fluid, and overheating. Each issue has specific diagnostic codes that help technicians identify the problem. Mechanical failures account for 35% of transmission problems. These include solenoid malfunctions, torque converter issues, and internal clutch wear. Modern transmissions have hundreds of moving parts that can fail over time. Electrical issues make up 25% of transmission problems. These include sensor failures, wiring harness problems, and transmission control module faults. Modern transmissions rely heavily on electronic controls and sensors. Modern vehicles use advanced diagnostic technologies including OBD3 integration for real-time monitoring, AI-powered diagnostics that can predict failures up to 30 days in advance, and wireless diagnostic tools for remote monitoring and diagnosis. Understanding these warning lights and their common causes helps you make informed decisions about transmission maintenance and repairs, potentially saving thousands in unnecessary work. When a transmission warning light appears, there are several basic reset methods you can try before seeking professional help. These methods are successful in resolving issues about 78% of the time. The first method is the battery disconnect reset. This involves disconnecting your car battery for exactly 15 minutes to clear the transmission's adaptive memory. The second method uses an OBD scanner to clear fault codes directly from the transmission control module. This is more precise than the battery disconnect method. The third method is a drive cycle reset, which involves specific driving patterns to help the transmission recalibrate its adaptive learning parameters. The fourth method involves manufacturer-specific reset procedures. Different car brands have unique protocols that may be more effective than generic methods. Prevention is always better than repair. Here are key strategies to prevent transmission warning lights from appearing in the first place. Regular fluid changes are crucial. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving conditions. This single maintenance step prevents most transmission problems. Proper driving habits significantly extend transmission life. Allow proper warm-up in cold weather, avoid aggressive acceleration and hard braking, and perform regular diagnostic scans during routine maintenance. However, some situations require immediate professional attention. Seek help if multiple warning lights appear simultaneously, if the transmission is slipping or shifting harshly, if you smell burning odors, or if reset procedures fail after 2 attempts.